When building software, setting default values for variables can seem like a harmless or even helpful practice. But hidden beneath this convenience are pitfalls that can lead to significant issues down the line. In this video, we'll uncover the dangers of setting defaults and how to avoid common mistakes. At first glance, setting a default value like 0, an empty string, or even null can seem logical. It ensures that the variable is always initialized and avoids those dreaded undefined errors. Though while this may work in the short term, it can create hidden traps in your codebase. One of the main issues with default values is that they can mask errors or unintended behavior. Imagine a financial application where a default balance is set to 0. If a bug causes the balance not to be updated correctly, the default value of 0 might go unnoticed. This could lead to incorrect financial reports, unnoticed discrepancies, and eventually, a lack of trust in the application. Another danger lies in debugging. Defaults can make it harder to trace the origin of bugs. If you always have a fallback value, it becomes challenging to determine whether a variable was correctly assigned or just fell back to its default. This can lead to wasted time and effort trying to pinpoint the root cause of an issue. This problem also extends to default parameters in functions. If a function has default arguments, it's easy to forget to pass the necessary values, leading to unexpected results. The function may work fine with the default, but when real data is introduced, it could behave unpredictably. So, what's the solution? Instead of relying on defaults, consider using validation and explicit checks. Ensure that variables are initialized with meaningful values, and validate inputs before processing them. This approach not only makes your code more robust but also easier to maintain and debug. To summarize, while setting default values for variables might seem convenient, it can lead to masking errors, debugging difficulties, and unintended behavior. Instead, focus on meaningful initializations and robust validation to ensure your software remains reliable and maintainable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers. Until next time, code smart and stay vigilant.